doing my sausage bread, mixed sausage with cheese, and then put it inside the bread mixture. That is the sausage and the cheese. So, guys, this is how I do it. Just watch and share the video. It's your baby girl Quinta. Watch and share. Thank you for sharing my videos. May God bless you. If you know this type of things, you have to do it because or you need to do it. Maybe you have a big family, you have children, they have to eat, so they need these small things. You do pastries, you do other things. Okay, so don't be reluctant. You see now, I will come now. I can put the sausage. Mhm. Then take now cheese and put. Then wrap it tightly. Yes, I have to slice the other parts. I use different design to slice. So different design to slice. So guys, this is how I do my own. So I do my own. So just watch and see how I do it. You learn. Me too, I learn. Everybody has to learn. Every day we learn. If you don't want to learn, how will you know? If you don't practice it, how will you do it? If you know, then you know practice. You learn how to cook, you don't know how, you have not done the practical part. It means you don't know anything. You're just saying it in your own favor. Eh? If you know, you know. If you are the one who can see something and at the same moment you do it, you catch it, good and fine, good and fine. And look at the design now. Wow. It's very delicious, very demure. Uh-huh. And yummy. The bread sweet. It's not too much sweet. There was milk. Look at my designer, my designer. They say design your own food. Design your cooking. As tell they do it design, you to give your own design for kitchen. People go to follow now their design. People create design. People create models. The model you see us wearing, there are people who draw the dress, who draw the design, who draw their pastries, everything. If it's a round one, there's a model to cut. Everybody has his model. So why not in cooking? That's the best design to design your things yourself, make it yourself, rather than buying. These days that I made it like that, you're not buying bread. You're not buying bread. We ate that bread. And we're so satisfied. Everybody was happy because I've never made this type of bread. I've made normal bread, you see, but I've not made this model, this type. It's my first time of making this model. And everybody ate it. The bread was soft and so delicious, so yummy. So, guys, we thank you. If you're watching my video, help me to share. And this is your first time of coming across my video, please do me well to share, like, and comment. I love you guys. Look at another design. Guys, watch the video and see my designer. Quinta create your own design.